A cook is how I feel the most free, because it's me. It's very simple. It's you with the ingredients with you. Being a cook is you trying to become the best version of yourself.
Jose.
Hey, Paul. How are you?
Today, Chef José Andrés is bringing us 3 dishes inspired by companies within the Invesco QQQ ETF. An ETF is very similar to a dish where it combines many different ingredients into one cohesive recipe. Many of the companies within QQQ really focus on innovation.
Innovation, in a way, is used in your fingertips. Sometimes the innovation may be happening in a glass of water, in the heart of a tomato. Sometimes innovation is right there in front of us, at the fingertips of anybody that is willing to push the boundaries of what is possible. What we're gonna do is this amazing omelette. Yes, an omelette, but using the microwave. Imagine you are, I don't know, in your college dorm and you have no kitchen, but yes, always maybe a microwave somewhere. When my family and I were hungry in the middle of watching Netflix, we all go to the kitchen, we do something like this, in 2 minutes flat, and we go back and we keep watching the movie.
You know, before we get in the car and drive to a movie theater, now it's just being able to stream a new story or a new idea with your friends who may be on the other side of the world.
What is mayonnaise? Eggs and oil. What are we doing? Adding eggs to the eggs. And what else we have? A lot of air. More eggs, oil, and air. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. But hey, you have a membership at the gym, use it. This is gonna be an omelette of chives. You can do it with parsley, you can do it with basil. You know those spices that they've been sitting there in your kitchen since probably 1969? Use those spices. They deserve to be loved. And you're gonna whisk it very, very quickly, very, very, very fast. This is great. And take a look what's happening. And now everything goes in. Oh yeah. How much time? No clue. Every microwave is different. How much time, man? Hey! One, 2, and 3. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna top it with whatever you have at home. What's a chef like me have at home? I have caviar, eggs on eggs. I do believe that more is more sometimes. This is my microwave omelette, inspired by Netflix. My favorite thing in the whole world, since I was very little, my father will make for my brothers and I bikini, coming from 2 worlds. I eat this watching football. The football that you kick with your foot, and not the football that you throw with your hand.
Charter communications, TV, and high-speed internet services has allowed individuals to stream and access live sporting events from around the world.
This bikini, watching football or football. We're gonna get a little bit of the butter and we're gonna put it inside. I don't know, my friends, but ham and cheese and butter, it's so yummy. I love this cheese because it's the one my father always used. And we're gonna put 2 slices here and 2 slices there. And my mom always bought this pinky ham. I mean, I love this ham so much. This brings me memories of my childhood. We will have this almost every day. You could argue is the moment you are changing something by cold or by heat, the culinary moment of transformation. But something happens way before. It's the culture, it's the smells when you're younger that they penetrate into the DNA of who you are. Those moments are layers that keep building your life and without realizing becomes part of the dish you're cooking and you're serving to the people you love. I mean, just think about it. This moment is like the first time somebody got 2 pieces of bread and decided to put something in the middle. That guy was a genius. I'm sure he was a distant relative of mine. Oh my God. Perfection. Look at this. This is my bikini sandwich, inspired by Charter Communications. Oh, yeah. So the great thing of staying in an Airbnb is that you can cook. And this is a Chinese eggplant, looking like the trunk of an elephant that happens is purple. When you travel and you stay in places that have a kitchen, sometimes you have the opportunity that nobody else has of going to a local market and buy ingredients you never saw in your entire life. It's the great moment of adventure that you become a local in a foreign land.
Airbnb revolutionized the way that people travel. They changed traditional accommodations into extraordinary ways for people to visit new parts of the world.
I love the miso, the fermented soy. And then nothing goes better with miso than mirin. The smell. 3-4 parts of the miso with 1 part of the mirin. And here you have this very simple, thick paste kind of sauce that is salty, sweet, fermented, slightly alcoholic because the mirin. Oh my God, this is so good. And you cover the entire eggplant with the sauce. What you see here is the caramelization of the natural sugars. You see, if you like pine nuts, you can put anything else you want. And then, because you are shopping in this new land of yours, you went to this amazing Asian market, coriander flowers. Next to the flowers, and I found this amazing citrus. I'm gonna come and I'm gonna finish with a touch of this fresh citrus right on top. I can cook it anywhere I have a kitchen. My eggplant with miso, inspired by Airbnb.
Everything looks amazing.
We did it. Come over here, guys. Don't be shy. Come on. What do you want to try, Koji?
Omelette.
Somebody very smart said that life starts at the end of your comfort zone. Tradition is great and we need to know it, but challenge that tradition and maybe create a brand new language and a brand new tradition. I'm willing to take the risk to take to that horizon that allows you to see what is beyond.
Before investing, consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Visit Invesco.com for a prospectus with this information. Read it carefully before investing.